let's know about second year DMLT syllabus. In second year, you have 5 subjects that are anatomy, physiology, pathology, biochemistry, and microbiology. So let's take up anatomy. In anatomy, you will learn about general anatomy, in which you learn about the planes, the positions, terms, anatomical terms, and anatomical movements, and basics about anatomy. After that, moving to the second topic, you will learn about tissues, different types of tissues, classification of tissues, and their examples. In third, you will learn about skeletal system. You have skeletal system, number of bones, and classification of bones with each examples, etc., and so on. Rather than move to the next topic, that was systemic anatomy. In systemic anatomy, you will learn about every system like cardiovascular system, respiratory system, urinary system, nervous system, and so on. So totally in anatomy, you will learn about introduction, tissues, skeletal, and systemic anatomy. That's all. Next, move to the physiology. So guys, in physiology is basically mean of functions, learning about functions. In this you will learn about general physiology, introduction, cell, and then second topic was blood. In this blood you will learn about blood cells, plasma, cellular, hemoglobin, etc., and so on. And the nerve physiology and musculoskeletal system, cardiovascular system, respiratory system, renal system, endocrine system, reproductive system, and so on, and skin, CSF, spinal systems, special senses like vision, hearing, taste, smell. So this all you learn in physiology. You might see here that was general physiology, blood, nerve physiology, musculoskeletal, gastrointestinal physiology, cardiovascular system, respiratory system, renal system, endocrine system, reproductive system, skin, CNS, and special senses like vision, hearing. So that's all in physiology. Let's move to the biochemistry. In biochemistry, you will learn about basic knowledge about biochemistry. That was in first topic. You will learn about general information of laboratory, and then specimen collection like blood, in that anticoagulants. What are the anticoagulants that are used for the collection of blood? Next, introduction to laboratory apparatus, which are the laboratory apparatus which we will use in lab, and then maintenance of glasswares and apparatus. And moving to the next was instruments. You will learn about instruments in detail in this topic. And your sixth topic is solutions and dilutions, how you will make solutions in example like standard solutions and so on. Next, moving to the section B. In this you will learn about acid, bases, salts, and indications. You will learn in detail about this. And after that, basic chemistry. In basic chemistry you will learn about carbohydrates, its classification, definition, properties with their examples, and proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, and chemistry, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. And at last we will learn about normal and abnormal constituents of urine and this topic. So this was the topic of biochemistry that you have learned in this year. The one. So let's move to the next topic, that was pathology. In pathology, you will learn about, you have 5 topics, that was urine analysis, stool examination, hematology, and then clinical pathology. In clinical pathology, you will learn about sputum examination, what was the sputum examination definition, its collection, how it will be examined physically, chemically, microscopically, and how to preserve it and how to transfer it. In every topic you will learn about this. And CSF examination for other body fluids like pleural fluids, peritoneal fluids, and so on. And then semen analysis and cytopathology you will learn in this year, cytopathology, and also histopathology. In histopathology, it means study of tissues. So you will learn in this. Next, moving to the next topic, next subject, that was microbiology. So in this year in microbiology, you will learn about introduction to microbiology, including its history of microbiology, then microscopy and different types of microscope, and third topic was general bacteriology. In general bacteriology, you will learn about bacteria's morphology and physiology, and then classification of bacteria, common staining techniques in bacteriology, and then sterilization, what was the sterilization techniques and types, and how will the disinfectant will be used. So that's next. Culture media, different types of culture medias and different types of culture methods like streak, clone, swab, and so on. And basic concepts in identification of bacteria, what are the concepts that we use to identify the bacteria, and then washing and packaging of materials used in the microbiology, preparation of stains and buffers, how we will prepare, immunity, antigen antibodies, antigen and antibody reactions, hypersensitivity, next infection prevents and controls. This all we will learn in this year for our second year topic. So thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe and hit a like. If you want such more videos, comment below what topics on which you want. Thank you so much for watching. Do well. All the best.